Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 Honda Civic SR. Now of course this car comes with LED daytime running lights, front parking sensors and these brilliant 17-inch alloy wheels, which of course have been freshly tinted diamond cut as part of the vehicle's preparation process. I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do get on these alloys. Round to the rear, you've got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, which is at the top there. Then inside the tailgate, you can see we've got the protective boot mat, along with 60/40 split folding rear seats, which will fold flat with that level just there. You then also get this brilliant pull-out privacy shelf, which will team up with this parcel shelf here to ensure maximum privacy for any belongings. Coming out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back of the car now. We've then got full black cloth interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. Electric windows are all round. Then coming inside, we have your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your auto stop start off, and then your economy mode just here. Got a 6-speed manual gearbox, dual climate control which can be operated via the touchscreen display. And then within here we have your satellite navigation. We've then got your Bluetooth hands-free, and then we also have your various audio sources just here, as you can see there. Then over to the steering wheel, you've got your onboard computer controls, volume, information button, and then of course your voice assistant with Bluetooth hands-free. The arrows here work between the infotainment and the onboard computer. Then over to the right, we have your adaptive cruise control settings with your lane keep assist and distance control. You've also got full automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see this Civic has done 47,260 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Honda Civic, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.